Hello everyone, I'm Sumit and today I'll be demonstrating my project Sentinel. Sentinel is a resilient infrastructure visualization system that simulates how modern cloud platform manage the distributed application. Large-scale platforms like Netflix, Amazon, Google and AWS heavily rely on the load balancing and fault tolerance and auto-healing and container orchestration to keep their services available even when failure occurs. So this project demonstrates those concepts in a visual and interactive way. This is the landing page where I have provided a brief overview of system along with its three core capabilities. First is you can see traffic simulation, automated self-healing, and the last one is container operation. So now let's move on to the cluster dashboard. So here we can monitor the entire infrastructure in a real time. At top, we can see the overall network traffic, the average load handled by each node, and the total cluster capacity. So below, that is the elastic cluster map, where every worker node represents a running services. Each node continuously report to its health and resource usage. We can also search for a specific container and or filter out based on their current status. So we can search for the specific node like worker node. Suppose 03 we want to search, it is not present. 02 and okay 01, yeah 01 it is present. So as you can see, search the nodes. So one more important feature is the horizontal scaling. During the events like Amazon Prime Days and Flipkart Big Billion Days or Netflix are releasing a popular series, so traffic increase drastically and dramatically. Instead of overloading the existing server, new instances can be added dynamically to the distributed load. So that's exactly what the add node feature, this feature, demonstrate. Similarly, during the periods of low traffic such as late nights, organization reduce unnecessary infrastructure to optimize the operational cost. So the scale down feature demonstrate control resource optimization while maintaining the service availability. Now look at the fault tolerance. If I terminate any of the process, suppose I terminated these two processes, so I can see these two processes are auto recovering. So the main idea is it automatically recover the failed services, ensuring the application remains available with a minimal downtime. At the bottom, we can see the system event log, record every important details in a real time such as node creation, failure, recovery, scaling operation, and container lifecycle event. So this provides a complete visibility to the what happening inside the cluster. Finally, let's move on to the analytics page. So as you can see, we can monitor the important performance metrics such as network latency and overall cluster health and traffic load using the live visuals. To demonstrate system behavior under heavy traffic, I'll start a stress simulation. So this generates the real workload across the running worker container. As the load increase, you will notice the changes in the matrix. And as you can see here, the request per second is increasing and kind of load per node is increasing. And as you can see, so now let's stop the stress test. So now system will be coming into the healthy situation. As you can see, load is decreasing and request per second is decreasing. Here 103. You can see there are multiple containers and like as you can see the current utilization. So overall, Sentinels demonstrate how modern cloud native system achieves scalability, high availability and automated recovery and real-time infrastructure monitoring using container orchestration concept. So thank you for watching this video.